Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Chillicothe County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Ashley County in southeastern Arkansas, Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, north central East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bastrop, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mer Rouge, Galleon, and Bastrop around 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bonita around 3:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jones around 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Wilmot around 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kilbourne around 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gasaway and Eudora around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Chillicothe Junction around 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, and northwestern and west central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Morehouse and West Carroll.